Military engines include the F-135 engine for the 5th generation F-35 Lightning II, the F-119 for the F-22 Raptor, the F-100 family that powers the F-15 and F-16, the F-117 for the C-17 Globemaster III, the J-52 for the EA-6B Prowler, the TF-33 powering AWACS, Joint Stars, B-52, and KC-135 aircraft, as well as the PW-4062 for the KC-46A Pegasus. Powering all of the U.S. Air Force's F-15 Eagles and the majority of the world fleet of F-16 Fighting Falcons, Pratt & Whitney's family of F-100 engines has been selected by 23 air forces around the world. Certified at 40,400 pounds of thrust, Pratt & Whitney's F-117 is the exclusive power for the U.S. Air Force's Advanced Transport, the C-17 Globemaster III, developed by the Boeing Company. The F-119 PW-100 turbofan is the first operational 5th-generation fighter engine. It combines stealth technologies and vectored thrust with high thrust-to-weight performance to provide unprecedented maneuverability and survivability. Pratt & Whitney's F-135 propulsion system is the engine of choice for the F-35 Lightning II, 5th generation, advanced, single-engine tactical fighter developed by Lockheed Martin in conjunction with BAE Systems and Northrop Grumman. ATEC, the right solutions for Army Black Hawk and Apache helicopters.